Over the past several decades, North American cities have made strides to strengthen their identity and sense of community through public works projects. Many of these projects create inviting and friendly places. They build a sense of community. People measure their feelings about these places and act accordingly. You are about to review several successful public works projects sampled from across North America. They have enhanced urban identity, community, and the image of each city. The tour includes economic development projects, pavement rehabilitation supporting development projects, and recreation and cultural centers. To enhance identity and a sense of community, many projects take cues from their physical surroundings, often from local ethnic and historic settings. Many projects implement ideas and design concepts on which cities have been successfully built for centuries. One idea is interlocking concrete pavement. The practical and ageless concept of segmental pavement in concrete enhances livability, contributing beauty and durability to each project. Let's begin our tour by reviewing a few economic development projects. In Winthrop, Massachusetts, the Community Development Department was faced with over a third of the stores standing vacant. They decided on concrete pavers as part of the revitalization program for their business district. 20,000 square feet of concrete pavers helped transform a desolate asphalt parking area to a pedestrian-friendly landmark. The investment in concrete pavers contributed to the area's revitalization. It now boasts 100% occupancy of the shops. Pavers were selected because of their ability to withstand sudden temperature changes without displacement or cracking. They provided a safer pavement for visually impaired and handicapped persons. Downtown Chattanooga, Tennessee, is the classic example of a city transformed from an industrial area to a commercial and leisure center. The city's urban design plan facilitates development of many living rooms in the downtown. Each district sets the stage for a variety of cultural activities, such as the landmark aquarium, city gateways, and shopping. Over the years, the city has paved some 300,000 square feet in streets and sidewalks. As renovation continues, the city continues to pave several blocks per year. Concrete pavers were an important part of creating an attractive, low-maintenance surface for the living rooms. The ability of concrete pavers to be replaced after repairs to underground utilities was a key consideration for sidewalks and crosswalks. Scott Copley, a project manager with the city's engineering division, designs and manages the interlocking concrete pavement projects. Mr. Copley researched studies on the structural contribution of interlocking concrete pavement to the entire pavement cross-section. He discovered that concrete pavers are a flexible pavement, one that is typically placed on a compacted aggregate base. Loads from vehicles are spread through interlock of the individual pavers to the base. Engineering studies show that the pavers and bedding sand distribute loads in a manner similar to asphalt. Since pavers are concrete, they are more durable. For example, in hot weather, the strength of asphalt diminishes as it softens, making it more prone to rutting. This is why San Antonio, Texas used 5 miles of concrete pavers. They don't deform in warm weather, especially under loads from trucks and buses, nor do they degrade from oil drippings. We go now to another means for economic development and a popular gathering place for many city and suburban dwellers, the farmers market. It plays a unique role in cities for shoppers seeking fresh produce. Operating since 1913, the Dallas Farmers Market in Texas attracts over 2 million persons each year. It is a great way to get people back downtown. We redevelopment of the site in Dallas called for wider walks and a clear pedestrian connection between parking and market areas with 118,000 square feet of pavers. Another farmers market, City Market in Kansas City, Missouri, was this city's first public square, a jumping-off point to the west. After periods of disuse, the 12-acre redevelopment also attracts 2 million visitors per year. City Market now supports housing, restaurants, gift shops, and specialty stores. The City Fathers wanted a reusable pavement, one that could be moved and relaid to accommodate new buildings. They also wanted a surface able to resist freezing weather, snow, and de-icing salts. Some 200,000 square feet of pavers even extend into fountains. Revitalization of the commercial core of Old Limoilou in Quebec in 1989 required widened sidewalks, pedestrian crossings, lighting, street furniture, and trees. Besides enhancing identity, all of these elements needed to work together to increase safety. 15,000 square feet of concrete pavers offered color and texture to increase intersection visibility, improving safety for drivers and pedestrians. Contrasting colored pavers mark crosswalks. The visual contrast and ride of the pavers encourage motorists to reduce their speed. Accidents were reduced, increasing the safety of pedestrians and drivers. The renovation had one other unexpected benefit: increased pride by the townspeople. A stronger sense of community is now expressed by the residents. They keep the area clean and in better condition. Mixed-use town centers in many cities throughout North America attract upscale stores and shoppers. One of the most elegant is Meisner Park in Boca Raton, Florida. The retail, office, and residential project has been an unqualified success. Much of the project's identity comes from the concrete paver colors and quality installation. Some 250,000 square feet of concrete pavers cover all surfaces, including crosswalks and streets. A wide boulevard runs between the stores, apartments, and offices, providing a respite for visitors and residents. Fountains in the boulevard mask automobile noise, attracting pedestrians and onlookers. Pavements represent one of the largest capital investments by a city. They require continual maintenance and replacement.